Hi, I am Mohammed, an Excel expert. In today's short video, I will walk you through our sales data analytic dashboard that I have created for a supermart owner in US. So the client gave me a master sales sheet. In past, it was very well unorganized and messy. So I started by cleaning it and created a well organized sheet out of it. Then I also created this input sheet out of that according to the client requirements. After that, I created a calculation or data analysis sheet out of the master sheet. So I have created this sheet to create the visuals even more better. So after creating this, I move on to create and utilize Excel pivot charts and slicer to create this dashboard. First, I also, as you can see there, mark up one build formulas to find the top performing products and top performing category in this sales data. So I created these formulas there in the calculation sheet, as you can see there, and then interconnect these data into the dashboard in the more cleaner and the professional way. The main big challenge in this while creating this dashboard is to interconnect all of these with each and another. So I utilize some Excel built-in function to interconnect all of these. As you can see there, as I just updated the year, data everywhere gets changed. Like that, you can see this slicer as well and this slicer as well. I have created all of this with this thing. As now I can remove the filters to make it more cleaner. Yeah, that's it. To wrap it up, I also got on a call with client to guide him how to use it so he can confidently track his business sales data and can make even decisions more better. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for a similar dashboard to analyze your business performance, I would love to help.